You can spend all the money you want on the furniture, decor, lighting, or even renovation. But if these things are still in your home, it will never look truly expensive. Today, I am showing you what to buy, and also I am showing you what to remove. These are the silent killers of luxury. The things I see every single week in a real homes that instantly downgrade the space, no matter how nice the apartment is. Let's clean the visual noise. Let's raise the level. But first, I would really appreciate if you can just check whether you're subscribed or not. It's really important for me to grow this channel. So, after your subscription, here are the 10 things you must remove if you want your home to look truly expensive. Number 1. Fake plants that are obviously fake. Let's be honest, nothing screams budget decor louder than shiny plastic leaves covered in dust. The problem is not fake plants. The problem is bad fake plants. The ones with stiff stems, identical leaves, and that weird green shine that no real plants has in real life. Luxury homes either use real plants or high quality artificial botanicals that you generally cannot tell apart from the real ones. If your plant looks like it came free with a vase, it has to go. One beautiful, real olive tree will elevate a space more than 10 plastic palms ever will. Quantity never beats quality. Number 2. Overcrowded open shelving. Open shelves looks beautiful on Pinterest. In real homes, they usually turn into visual chaos. When every plate, every cup, every spice jar is visible, your kitchen instantly feels busy, messy, and cheap. Luxury is not look at everything I own. Luxury is controlled visibility. If you love open shelves, keep 2 or 3 matching pieces. Neutral tones, breathing space between objects, not your entire kitchen inventory. Remember this, if everything is on displays, nothing feels spatial. Number 3. Cheap throw pillows with loud prints. This one hurts some people. Bright coats, glitter fabrics, cartons graphics, heavy embroidery with metallic thread. These pillows age a room instantly. Luxury spaces use textured material, tone-on-tone contrast, not loud graphics. A linen pillow, a soft wool cushion, a rich velvet in one deep color. Those quietly whisper money. Printed slogans show the opposite. If your throw pillows look like they are trying too hard, remove them. Number 4. Mismatched door handles and switch plates. This is a small detail that makes a huge visual difference. When every door has a different handle, or switches are yellowed plastic, or the sockets don't match the wall color, the brain reads the space as unfinished. Even the furniture is beautiful. Expensive homes feels intentional all the way down on the hardware. Matching finishes, clean lines, no broken pieces. If one handle is damaged and still there, you have already lost the luxury battle. Number 5. Oversized furniture in a small spaces. Big sofas in small rooms don't look rich. They look disappear for seating. Luxury is not about filling every square centimeter. Luxury is about negative space. Room to breathe, room to move, room for the eye to rest. An oversized recliner in a compact living room will always feel heavy and clumsy, no matter how expensive it was. Better rule, one perfectly proportioned piece beats the 3 bulky ones every time. Number 6. Visible extension cords and power strips. This one alone can destroy even the most beautiful interior. Cables crawling across the floor, power strips hanging off walls, chargers exposed behind the sofas. Luxury is about what you don't see. Good design hides electric routes, charging points, media cables. If your space looks like it mid installation, it will never feel expensive. If you can't hide the cables yet, reduce the number of devices visible. Less chaos equals more elegance. Number 7. Too many trendy decorative objects. Collected decors looks expensive. Trends decor looks cheap fast. That gold pineapple, that ceramic face vase, that abstract note, that mass-produced sculpture. When everyone has the same thing, it instantly loses its luxury value. Expensive homes feels personal, not algorithmic. One meaningful object with a story beats 5 trend items copied from social media. If your shelves looks like a decor store window display, it's time to edit down. Number 8. Cheap curtains hung incorrectly. But curtain installation is one of the fastest ways to downgrade the space. Curtains that stop hallway, don't touch the floor, are too thin, are hung too low. All of these visually shorten your ceiling height and cheapen the room. Luxury curtains start high, fall heavy, touch the floor, frame the windows generously. If your curtains looks like afterthought, they make the whole room feel like one. Number 9. Crowded countertops. Kitchen counters packed with small appliances, soap bottles, spice racks, cleaning supplies, paper towels, random containers. This instantly kills the expensive feel. Luxury kitchens feels like hotels, show homes, calm environment. Only essentials are visible, everything else hidden. Clean counters don't mean you are sterile. They mean you are disciplined with what deserves to be seen. If your countertop looks busy, your home feels visually exhausted. Number 10. Outdated bathroom accessories. This is the silent luxury killer no one talks about. Soap dispensers, toothbrush cups, shower candies, plastic shelves, chrome that has turned dull. These tiny accessories age much faster than tiles themselves. You can renovate a whole bathroom, but if the accessories scream 10 years old, the space still feels tired. Luxury bathrooms feels unified, fresh and minimal. If your accessories are mismatched, yellowed, cracked, or crowded, remove them immediately. Small upgrades here gives massive impact. And the final reality check. Luxury is not created by adding more. It's created by removing what doesn't belong. Every expensive homes I have ever designed had one thing in common. Restraint, not clutter, not excess, not distraction, just clarity. If your home feels off, but you can't explain why, it's usually because something from this list is still sitting there, quietly killing your atmosphere. So, as your next action, today don't buy anything. Remove one fake plant, one unnecessary pillow, one unused appliances, one messy cable, one outdated accessory. And believe me, you will feel the difference immediately. And if this helped you, hit subscribe and like button because it will help to motivate me and keep the channel grow. Alright guys, see you in the next one.